Hello, finally I got this place ready right here, up for rent. I listed a couple of days ago, and I got like 30, 40 applicants already in 2-3 days, okay? And I'm going to show you how it is. The rent on this property right here is $13.50, if you would like to know. And we'll show you how it looks. Like I say, when tenant move out, gotta put a lot of work into it. I put about I think $8,000–9,000 into this already. Okay, and that's doing my own work. You got here's the kitchen. Okay. Here's the laundry room, about to be done, you know. See. Let's go check upstairs. Kitchen again. Stairway. Bathroom. All new vanity. You know, took the old one out, replaced it. New toilet. The back room. 3-bedroom. The middle room. And the front room. Same. See, when a tenant move out, you're losing money every single time a tenant move out. The damage that they done, sometimes that's why nowadays I don't take first month, last month security anymore. I'd rather take first month, and I take double security. People go say, what's the difference? It is a difference, all right? Because now, they still need to pay that last month that they're moving out, but their security is double the amount. So instead of $13.50 that I have to working on the house, I have a whole $2,700. That's the difference, okay? But continue watching. Go show you how it actually looked beforehand, before I got to this part. Right now it's not completely yet done. It's almost done right now. It's just little minor touch up, but it's tenant ready already. Okay, continue watching. Thanks. Hello. As you can see, I'm at one of my rental property. When a tenant move out, you know, works need to be done. They got I don't know what kind of blue that is. They got blue. I got repaint that. Got prime it and paint it back white. You know, spray it. And let me see. And as you can see, I got some vinyl right here. Need to be installed. Let's go. That vinyl is going to be installed in the kitchen. You know. Not too major. I got tile broken here. Need to be fixed. And right here's the laundry room. laundry room. As you can see, it was leaking, and now I already put the floor. It was leaking from the siding. I couldn't figure out where the leak from when a tenant was living in here, but it was from siding. And basically, one small leak it make a major disaster. One small hole make a major disaster. Not a small leak. It was a big leak, but small hole. These carpet need to be removed. And 2 tile in the bathroom was broken, so I actually put other tile on it, and I'm gonna put vinyl on it anyway. So that's why you see the difference. Okay. Not. As you can see, there's some more laminate flooring. Take out the carpet, put the laminate in, and that's it. That's just need a new paint job. Yeah. Just a new paint job, that's all. And some flooring. That's it. I keep you update with it on the next video.